Want to switch the AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel? First, head over to YouTube Studio and make sure that you're logged into the correct channel. On the left sidebar, click Monetization, then click Change next to your current AdSense account. This will redirect your Google AdSense. Heed of warning though, to change your AdSense account, your monetization for a month will not be paid out to you while the switch occurs. Now follow the prompts to sign in with the new Google account tied to the AdSense you want to link. Make sure it's fully approved and active. By the way, this is where a lot of people get it mixed up. The first time you log in is to prove that it's you on your normal Gmail account that's attached to the YouTube channel. But the second time they ask you to log in, it's for your new Gmail account that's attached to the AdSense that you have made or are choosing to change it to. Hopefully that clicked. If not, just go back in the video and rewatch that part because that is very important. Once submitted, YouTube will review the change. This usually takes a few hours or even a couple days. Until then, monetization stays paused. And that's it. You officially swapped AdSense accounts. I'd mark it on your calendar and subscribe if this helped.